Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Resume Clean on Philips HomeRun 2000. To do it, click on Settings in top right corner, then you can see Resume Clean right here. You can disable or enable that. When that's enabled, then when the robot starts cleaning and in the process it discharges and goes back to the charging stations to recharge. Then the robot will resume the cleaning after it charges itself enough to resume it. So you can enable or disable that based on your preference. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.